I wanted to include one of Randy's more exotic solos to round out this guitar method video. In the Diary of a Madman guitar solo, Randy mixes two scales, the A minor pentatonic, but for the most part he uses the Hungarian minor scale for a truly unique sound. I'm told Randy spent several days working on this solo in the recording studio before he was satisfied with it. In phrase 1, we briefly use an A minor pentatonic scale. But for the most part, we will use the Hungarian minor scale. Starting off in A minor pentatonic, phrase 1 begins on the 2nd string 8th fret with a gradual bend, hold, and release. This is held by the ring finger. Next is the 1st string 5th fret with the index finger. Slide down to the 3rd fret. Here we transition to the A Hungarian minor scale on the 2nd string 6th fret with the ring finger. Pull off to 5 with the middle, then hammer back to 6, pull off to 5, then pull from 5 to the 4th fret held by the index, then hammer back to 5. Phrase 2 starts right where we left off on the 2nd string 4th fret with the index. Then play the 3rd string 5th fret with the middle and slide down to the 2nd fret. Pulling off your middle finger to sound the 1st fret held with the index, pick the 1st fret again and hammer to 2. On the 4th string, play the 3rd fret with your ring, 1st with your index, and move up to the 2nd fret with your index and pick. This puts your ring finger in place to reach over to the 6th string 4th fret and play that with heavy vibrato. In phrase 3, we're back to the 2nd string 4th fret with the index and slide up to 5. Then 6 with the middle and slide down to 5. Then 4 with the index, 5 with the middle, slide up to 9. Then pick the 1st string 9 played with your ring and end by skipping to the 3rd string 8 with your index. And vibrato, and then a slide up the neck. To start off phrase 4, we are on the 4th string 18th fret with the ring, to 3rd string 16 with the index, then switch to the 2nd string 17 with the middle, up to 18, back to 17 and vibrato. Next we ascend from 17, 18 to the 1st string 16 with the index, then descend on the 2nd string 18, 17, 16 to 3rd string 17 with the middle and slide down to 16, then play 14 with the index. Phrase 5 has us ascend up the Hungarian minor scale again, starting on the 3rd string 13 with the index. We slide up to 14, 16 with the middle, and slide up to 17, to the 2nd string, 16 with the index, and slide up to 17, then up again to 18, which is barely audible during the transition to the 1st string 20th fret. That's with the middle finger, drop down to 19 with the index, and end on the 2nd string 21 with the ring and heavy vibrato. Randy transitions back to the A minor pentatonic scale in phrase 6 with an ascending lead run. Start on the 5th string 19 to 17, 19. Since the frets are so close together, you could use your ring or your middle finger. So, for the 19th fret notes, we're using the middle or the ring finger and the index for the 17th fret notes. After the 5th string 19, 17, 19, move to the 4th string 17, back to the 5th string 19, to 4th string 17, 19, 17, 19, to 3rd string 17, back to 4th string 19, to 3rd string notes 17, 19, 17, 19, to 2nd string 17, back to 3rd string 19. To wrap up this phrase, play 2nd string 17 to 20 with the ring, 17, 20, and end on 1st string 17. To contrast the previous ascending scale run, phrase 7 steps down in pitch on the 2nd string 20 with the ring to 17 with the index, then ends with high notes on the 1st string 20th fret. First is a quick full step bend, return the bend, pick again and gradually bend, repeat the quick bend, then a final bend is 1.5 steps, increase the pitch before returning to the 20th fret to finish the solo.